Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide last seen in WhatsApp. So when you open your WhatsApp, as you can see here, now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And then here you'll find settings. Now under the settings, you want to go right here on privacy. So tap this privacy option. And then you'll find at the top last seen and online. So tap that one. And from here, you have the four options on who can see my last scene. You can tap on everyone so everyone can see your last scene. Or you can go here on my contacts. Or if you want specific on your contacts that you want to hide your last scene, all you need to do is go here and find the contacts or specific contact that you want to hide. So for example, this one, then tap on the check icon at the bottom right. Or you can also go to the fourth option here. So when you go back, then if you go back again to that option and try to tap this nobody, so here no one can ever see your last scene in WhatsApp. So that's how you basically hide last scene in WhatsApp. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.